Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn something different. We're going to learn on how to chop properly using a knife in the kitchen. For those who love cooking, there's some skills you're supposed to use when holding a knife. So kindly just follow me and remember to subscribe. As the waiter, Tina Ibrahim. Before you start, make sure that your chopping board is secure. So you put the non-slip mat and place your chopping board. Then grab your knife properly. You can wrap your finger around the handle and make sure it's firm. So we're going to do a julienne cut. So that's our carrots. So you first you cut a flap and then put the flap down. Then you start cutting. As you can see, yeah. Make sure your knife is firm. You hold it firmly. Grab it nicely, and then as you can see the results. So these skills, we normally use them every day in the kitchen. Every day when you cook, you have to use a knife. So get the idea and use it.